This video is instructions on how to do V7 IXL, the power rule. Again, this may be some review material, so we're going to do it two ways. The first way is I wrote out all the D's. So for example, here it says D to the fifth, and you're going to have that 3 times. So notice that I have 5 D's, 5 D's, and 5 D's. So we have 5 D's 3 times. If I look at all of those D's and I add them up, that will leave us with D to the 15th power. Now, there's a shortcut with this, and you may have noticed it or maybe not, but what's going to happen is you're going to take your exponents, the one that's inside the parenthesis, the one that's outside the parenthesis, and you're going to multiply them together. So that is another way that you could solve or simplify this problem instead of writing it out. If we take a look at this example, we have D to the 4th 2 times. So you can see I have my 4 D's twice. If I add up all those D's, we get D to the 8th power. If I use the shortcut and I look at my exponents and I multiply 4 times 2, that will also give us D to the 8th power. So now that we're getting into some of these more complicated problems, it might be easier just to stick with the shortcut. So for example, for this one, it's hard to write out a negative exponent, and we will talk about that later in class. So what I would do is I would just automatically multiply those two together. And then remember, when you multiply a negative and a negative, you get a positive answer. So this would be G to the 27th power. For this last problem, we're going to do that shortcut again, and we'll take 8 times negative 3, so we'll have m to the negative 24th power. So I would like you to try V7, and again, we will take a look at that. Take a look at this material this week in class. Have a good day. Bye.